Okay, so our next form is called standard form, and it looks like this. This will relate to the quadratic formula when we talk about A, B, and C and how to find the vertex. So finding the vertex is a little bit trickier than before because it's not just explicitly shown. What we would do is we would say the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be the opposite of B over 2 times A. So again, we're referring to B as a number in front of x and A as a number in front of x squared. Once you get what x is, you'd substitute it in and find the y-coordinate of the vertex. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example down here. Again, to find the vertex, we're going to take the x-coordinate, opposite of b. There is no b term, so we're going to say 0 over 2 times the a term. And this, of course, will equal 0. Now that I have the x-coordinate, I'm going to substitute that in and find out what the y would be. And then this would, of course, equal 2. So the y-coordinate of the vertex is 2. And then the line of symmetry is x equals the x-coordinate of 0. That's still the same. Finding the y-intercepts are the same as well. X equals 0. So again, you're going to substitute that in. And this happens to be the same point as the vertex. That won't happen all the time, but in this time, obviously it does. The x-intercept is where y equals 0. So we're going to have the point negative 2, 0, and 2, 0. Okay, and we're going to hold on to the range for a second. So let's go ahead and plot these key points. 0, 2 is our vertex. And then negative 2, 0, and 2, 0. Okay, so those are the 3 critical points that we know. And then let's take a look at this, this range here over negative 2 to infinity. So obviously to infinity, the positive end, it's just going to keep on going down over here. Okay, from negative 2, I want to know where it is. Well, for this one, it's nice because I don't have to substitute that negative 2 in. But what I do have to do is I have to change this dot here, whoops, to an open circle because of this parentheses here. Remember in the last video we had to substitute this value in to figure out where the graph is. Well, this just happens to be one of our x-intercepts, so that's why we don't have to do that. So I'm going to change this to an open circle and then just connect it here. And then our overall range, again, from the bottom to the top, since this arrow is there, it's going to be from negative infinity to the highest point, which is a positive 2, and it includes it, so it's going to be a bracket. So those are, that's what we call standard form graphing.